Hello creators, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add text to your video and what are the other cool and crazy stuff you can do with text tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. So get ready to level up your video with text tool. But first, ensure you got your project open. I've already got a video on my timeline. Now let's add some text. It is super easy. Either you can select a type tool from the toolbar or simply press T on your keyboard. Next, click on the video where you want your text to appear. It is like planting a seed for your message. Once you have your text ready, now you can head over to Essential Graphic. If you don't see Essential Graphic, go to Windows and look for Essential Graphic and click Check. At Essential Graphic, now you can let your creativity run wild. Here you can change the font, the size, position, and the color to match your video's vibe. You can also add a stroke, you can add a background or shadow, and of course, you can change the color of these too. And now let's do some motion and some animation to your text. Head over to Effect Control. And if you don't see Effect Control in your Premiere Pro, go to Windows and look for Effect Control the same way we found Essential Graphic. There you have it. If you simply move the position, nothing will happen, your text will just move. But you want to create an animation, you need to click on this stopwatch. Once it is blue, that means you are ready to animate your text. So at first frame, I will add a keyframe and put my text outside of the frame. I will move my playhead to 2 seconds later and I want my text to be in the middle of the screen. I will simply drag it here by changing its position. Like this, you can edit other settings in Effect Control to create more fun and amazing animation to your text. So don't underestimate the power of text in your videos. Because text is not just words, it is your voice, your message, and your creative touch. So have fun experimenting with text and type tool and let your creativity shine. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.